So today we're going to talk about Claude Obsidian 2.0. It's actually the next generational version of Claude designed to make AI assistants more powerful, intuitive, and useful for everyday tasks. So it focuses on improving how users interact with AI, from understanding complex instructions to helping with research, writing, coding, and productivity. So the goal of this Cloud Obsidian 2.0 is to give users a smarter AI assistant that can handle more complicated work while producing a clearer and a much useful result. So one of the key highlights is the improved reasoning, so allowing Cloud to work through complex problems and provide more structured responses. And another highlight is that it has a better context understanding, meaning Cloud can follow longer conversations and understandings the relationship between different pieces of information more effectively. And the Obsidian 2.0 can also be useful for writing and content creation, so helping like users to brainstorm ideas or writing draft or summarizing informations and refining any existing content as well. And especially even for developers, the coding assistance is another major like use case. It can help you explain codes and stuff. So once you're already on cloud, you can simply log into your cloud account and you can access these platforms from there. This it's this Obsidian 2.0 represents the idea of a more capable and intelligent AI assistant with an emphasis on reasoning, context, productivity, and a practical everyday use.